Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review 3 types of bird scare tape. Don't let any kind of bird trouble you anymore. Thanks to bird diverting tape, the best way to win the battle against pigeons, woodpeckers, ducks, geese, herons, blackbirds, and much more. Designed specifically for this purpose, reflective tape has been proven to be one of the most efficient ways to defeat flying enemies and help growers defend their crops and properties. Reflective scare tape has proven to be a powerful and extremely efficient solution for pest and bird control problems. Incredibly easy to install. All you need to do is cut the number of stripes you need and place them in the area that you're facing the problem, such as rooftops, decks, or tree branches, and then wait for the feathery visitors to leave once and for all. Eco-friendly and wildlife-friendly. You don't have to resort to drastic measures in order to get rid of your bird problem. Our non-toxic, reflective iridescent scare tape will take of it for you without hurting them or the environment.